Let me show you how to give your view on sheet a different title in Revit. Here, I'll show you. I've got the default project supplied by Autodesk. I'll go ahead and create a new sheet. Right click on the sheets and new sheets, and I will pick my desired sheet size. That's fine. Now I will scroll up to the views. For the sake of this demonstration, I would duplicate one of the levels, this time around L1. Wait for it to duplicate. Now we've got a duplicate of our level and an empty sheet. Drag the level to the sheet, and you can see now that our view is on sheet, but we can actually give this a title on the sheet without actually renaming this view. And to do that, we use this feature on the property bar. I will hover on it, title on sheet. So select your view and give it a title, which is GF plan, hit enter, and there you go. You have a title for your view on sheet independent of the level view. So I hope this is helpful. Remember, it's only simple if you know how to do it. If you don't know, you don't know. Let me know in the comment section if this is helpful, and if you have any questions regarding Revit or BIM, please let me know as well.